Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
I don't know, Goofy. That sounds like a lot of paperwork.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Well, folks, that Goofy is something else, but welcome on into the cartoon world and enjoy your train ride. You're welcome.
Now, let's